Hello traders, the title of the video is Simple Tricks to Boost Elliott Wave Analysis like a professional trader. Alright, let's get started. My intention is to keep this video very short, discussing simple tricks that can help one to boost Elliott Wave Analysis like a professional trader. So professional follow standards. So they have standards that they follow. They have a style that they follow. That's why sometimes you see traders say, George, I disagree with this. And I'll say, well, this is my wave count. So traders, professional traders, follow a pattern, a step, a standard all the time. All right. And I want to share with you simple tricks that can help you boost your Elliott wave analysis. The first thing that I want to share with you is that very often trader will count waves. All right. So they count wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. And they will trade that particular day because of that wave count, or they may swing trade or day trade, or because of that wave count. All right. And then they will completely erase their wave count. They will forget about it. They will delete the drawing on their charts. All right. Professional traders do not remove their drawing. The minimum that you want to do is that if you do not want a drawing on your chart, you can copy the chart, copy and save the chart. Now, what usually takes place, a trader may count wave today and then do one thing today, and then the next day we will forget about completely, that wave count. The reason why I leave my drawing on my chart, as you can see here, is because sometimes you look at the same chart, you go back. It's a hard work, to identify the internal wave and to put everything in order. And if you keep removing your drawing, you can end up with a different result because of how you analyze the price on that particular day. So what I tend to do, once I'm satisfied with my wave count, I will leave it on my chart. This is the first tips and trick that you can use to boost your Elliott wave analysis, whether it's a preliminary wave count or just a wave count validation. You want to leave it or have a copy that is saved somewhere, or any time frame. Very, very important. Now the reason why sometimes you may count wave, for instance, on a 5-minute time frame, and then maybe you dump it completely, you forget about it. Don't do that. Try to save a copy of it, or do something about it, because the wave count on the 5-minute time frame can help you to dictate what is happening, for instance, on a 2-hour time frame. So we say ratio 1 to 22. So sometimes the wave count on the 2-hour time frame may not be very clear, but the wave count on the 5-minute time frame will help you to determine what is happening on the higher degree, the corresponding higher degree wave count time frame. So for instance, I'm counting wave on a monthly chart. That wave count on the monthly chart will help me to know more about what is happening, the bigger picture on the yearly chart. You can't wave on a 2-hour time frame, on a 4-hour time frame. That wave count can also help you, your wave count on a weekly chart. You can't wave on the hourly time frame. That wave count will help your wave count on a daily chart. So sometimes it works both ways. Sometimes we start from the higher degree and then we drop to the lower degree. Sometimes we go to the lower degree to validate the higher degree. So that's why professionals do not delete their drawing anywhere anyhow. I use most of the time the monthly chart for my wave count, and that's why you see very often my drawing is on the chart. The second thing, tips and tricks that you can use to boost your Elliott wave analysis like a professional trader, is to review your prior wave count. So if you do not take the first step, which means leave your wave count on your chart or have a copy of it, you cannot review your prior wave count. So anytime you count wave, don't assume that your wave count is perfectly correct. This is very important, because we go into the mind of other traders. That's why I don't get into this fight with traders. Say your wave count is wrong, your wave count is wrong, blah blah blah. I don't get into that discussion at all. I don't get into that game at all. So you want to review your wave count, you need to have your prior wave count. So like here, you have here for this stock Walmart Incorporated. It was a very difficult wave count for me. It took me a lot of time to figure out all the internal wave, and it was a bit messy. If I remove all this line, I will not review my wave count today. But today, as I come back to this chart again, I can see clearly that my prior wave count is working beautifully. Can you see that? So this was my first wave. You see from here to here, that was my first wave of a higher degree ending at 1993, my second wave of a higher degree ending at 97, and my third wave of a higher degree ending at 2000. And then we have a complex fourth wave that was prolonged from 2000, all right, almost to 2008. All right, and then we have up to 2007, call it 2007, and then we have a complex fifth wave, first minor wave, second minor wave, a triangle, third minor wave, and the fifth minor wave is the ending diagonal. You see, so it's a bit a complex wave count, but I managed to count my wave. So for instance, suppose I remove all this line, and today again I have to do everything by myself. All right. So now I'm looking back again. So the second step is to review your previous waveform. The reason why professional Elliott wave trader review their past wave count is that the price is giving us information step by step. So usually what will change your wave count is the Elliott wave extensions. The wave extension will force you to review your prior wave count to align with the current price structure. If you tell me that you are an Elliott wave trader and you never review your prior wave count, you have a serious problem. One must always be prepared to look back again and compare what one has seen before to the current reality. This is about reviewing, okay, the prior wave count. It's nothing to do with the wave validation. The wave validation, we do it when we are counting wave. So I'm counting my wave today, I do my preliminary wave count, then I will use different time frame to validate my wave count. That's completely different. Review the prior wave count, meaning that I have done my wave count validation. Now, the price continue to go up or something has happened again, there are additional data. Now I'm taking into consideration the current price structure to see whether there are things that I need to adjust, okay, talking about my prior wave count. So reviewing the prior wave count is one step, okay, to boost your Elliott wave analysis like a professional trader. All right. The third thing that you need to do, talking about simple tricks and to boost Elliott wave analysis like a professional trader, is to swiftly correct errors. Swiftly, very fast. You see any error, which means violation of Elliott wave principle, when you are reviewing your prior wave count, you see that now, all right, there is an Elliott wave violation. You must swiftly correct those errors quickly. All right? Now, the reason why I'm saying this is because when it comes to Elliott wave count, our ego is quite high. There is a big competition when it comes to Elliott. When I start using Elliott wave first, I find it very tiring because traders always argue and say, George, I disagree with this, I disagree with that. And I say, what should I do with this? All right? So I found a solution. I say, well, stay with your own wave count, I stay with mine. Once I am satisfied with my wave count, once I determine that there is no Elliott wave violation, and I'm satisfied with my wave count, good. Unless I put a question mark on my wave count, all right, I will not worry about it at all. Because after we have finished to count the waves, like professional trader, we stick to what? Market patterns, and we stick to the price action. We put the wave count aside and we stick to the price structure, talking about the market pattern, break below, break above, retest, then around, okay, sticking to the market pattern, key levels, and so on. All right, so be ready to swiftly correct error, because there is an ego. You say, all right, I said to trader this before, all right, I told them that was the third wave. Oh, I can't change it anymore. I will change it. All right. So if you notice that, oh, George, in the previous video you said this, now you say that. Do you understand what is happening? All right. Because of the current price structure, something have changed. I have to adjust correctly and correct if there are errors, to swiftly correct it without looking back, especially if there is an Elliott wave violation. So the fourth tricks and tips that you can use to boost your Elliott wave analysis like professional trader, all right, is to align Elliott wave analysis with the current price structure. All right. So I mentioned earlier already, it's about the market pattern. Align your Elliott wave analysis with the current price structure. So you see now, like this, I have all my wave count: first wave of a higher degree, second wave of a higher degree, third wave of a higher degree, fourth wave of a higher degree, fifth wave of a higher degree. Now we were expecting a flat correction. That was my prior wave count. You see here, okay, it was not 1, 2, 3 clear cut, but this is a flat correction. Because of the ending diagonal, the price couldn't reveal the internal wave of the A part of the flat correction, which means 1, 2, 3. Ending diagonal, we are likely to see a high volatility price coming down very fast. This is normal here. Now we have 1, 2, 3. Now what we were telling traders in the past is that the price will come down like this and retest the edge of the median line of the pitchfork tool, and we are expecting, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, forming a C manner wave of the flat correction. So up to today, my wave count is still good so far, unless the price start doing something else. So we'll go back again to the second step, which means if, for instance, my expectation of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down did not materialize here, and the price now goes up and go above this high here, what do? We go to step 2 again. Like professional trader, we review our prior wave count. But as things stand today, my wave count is working beautifully. In fact, I can see a shadow there, but that candlestick bar is also closed today because we are now in September, all right? We are now in September 2nd, and that candlestick bar that you see there, that's the month of August. So come Tuesday, not Monday, Tuesday, okay, we will start monitoring whether there is a bearish, okay, trading setup here for us, looking for candlestick pattern, or implementing top-down trading method to take it one step down, okay, here, or and then here, okay, and see whether we'll have the orderly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So another trader may say, Joe, you just tell me now to sell or Walmart stock, and I'll say to you, no, this video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. In order to sell or buy, one must find a valid trading setup and then implement a top-down trading method without ignoring the fundamentals. If the price is going to go out, it will break resistance. It will continue to break resistance. You want to draw those resistance where they are. So you will say priority to bear signal below 94, 98. All right? And priority to bullish signal above that level, prior to bearish signal below, prior to bullish signal above, and so on and so on. All right, this is what we are talking about. So align, okay, your Elliott wave analysis with the current price structure. So as I've done it now, so talking about the current price structure, we will draw channels. This is what we are talking about. So you want to make a trading decision. This is it. You see now, I have a line that I draw my chart. So I can put there, connecting this low of 97 to this low somewhere in 2011, precisely August 2011. Okay, with those 2 points, I have a trend line. This is about aligning our Elliott wave analysis with the current price structure or market pattern. You see, this is it. Now you put your Elliott wave analysis aside because you are happy with it. Okay, you didn't remove your line. You review your prior wave count. All right, without hesitation. Okay, you swiftly correct a mistake. Now, the last step: align your Elliott wave analysis with the current price structure, which will switch your attention completely to the price action. Now, put your Elliott wave, okay, aside, your wave count aside, and switch to the current, okay, price structure. The reason why you need to take that last step is that a lot of Elliott wave traders count wave correctly. They are in fact very good at counting wave, even a complex wave, but they let them set down big time when it comes to making a decision to buy and sell. So they know about the price. They can tell you that the price will go down. They can tell you that the price will go up, but they just don't know how to time the market or how to enter a trade, buy at the right time and take profit at the correct time. See, so this is it. So you see the channel, the red channel is there, the media lines, the red one there. Now you are concentrating the price. And again, you see there is another trailer here, the green one here. This is about, okay, switching, aligning your wave structure to the current price structure. Okay, to trade on the air, to use pitchfork tool, and so on, so you do not make any wrong decision. Identifying, okay, the hot spot trading zone, the price now at the hot spot trading zone. Why? Because we have intersection, okay, between a key level that is 9498 and, okay, the media line of the pitchfork tool. This is a hot spot trading zone. All right. So this is just a short tutorial. Is it short enough or is it too long? 15 minutes, that's not too bad. All right. Short tutorial talking about simple tricks to boost Elliott wave analysis like a professional trader. So to summarize the video, all right, what you need to do not remove your line, your Elliott wave line, or your Elliott wave okay, count, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Now that we are here, we put there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 becomes one of a higher degree. And those information are important. You have done your hard work, you leave them there. You don't spoil it, you don't remove them, you leave them there. Okay? And then the second step, you review your prior wave count, like now, it's now here. I'm satisfied with it. All right? We come back again. If we see more data, we'll come and review, okay, our prior wave count without hesitation. The third step, if we see any Elliott wave violation after additional data, we will swiftly correct those errors without looking back. All right. And then the last step is to align our Elliott wave analysis with the current price structure. So now we have a flat correction that is being developed here. It's an expanded flat correction because the big wave of the flat correction went above the high of the fifth wave. So we are expecting an expanded flat correction. All right. So if you have any question or suggestion, please put in the comment section. And in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If this video has been truly useful to you, please give us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, please mark it down. If you think this is an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friends, okay, on Facebook, on Twitter, and also on Google+. All right. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel today. Stay put. All right. If you are subscribed, come back again and subscribe one more time. All right. We will be recording more tutorial in the future. All right. So this will conclude our discussion today about simple tricks to boost the Elliott wave analysis like a professional trader. As I say to traders, if you want us to analyze a specific stock, okay, we have a data for American stock and also American major indices. Put in the comment section, say, Joe, would you like to analyze this stock for us? All right, I find it very interesting. I do not understand what is happening here, and I will go through it, okay, on the channel together with everyone. All right, the financial instrument that we are analyzing today is a Walmart stock, Epic WMT, an American stock that belongs to the consumer defensive sector. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about simple tricks to boost Elliott wave analysis like a professional traders. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon. Thank you for watching.